Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your Spotify password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, the search section, and right here, you're gonna find all of your playlists. You can also expand your library from here. As you can see guys, here in the top, you're going to find the option to access your notifications. From here, you can see your friend activity. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can go to your account. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, sell to private session. And right here, as you can see guys, you can go to your settings. So basically guys, in order to change your Spotify password, all you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on account. And this will take you to this page where you're going to find all of the settings related to your Spotify account. So right now, once you're here, just scroll a little bit down. Right here, you're going to find account, payments, security, and privacy. And lastly, you're going to find help. Here under security and privacy, you're going to find manage apps, notification settings, privacy settings, edit login methods, set a device password and close accounts, and lastly, sign out everywhere. So go ahead and click on set a device password. Then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find set device password. To use Spotify on your devices, you need to set a separate password and log in with the username provided. So go ahead and click on set device password. And then right here, you're going to find the option to log into Spotify. Go ahead and log in. You can either continue with your Google account, Facebook, with Apple, or with your phone number. Then once you log into your Spotify account, you're going to be able to change your password. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.